Hey guys, welcome to Object Fool. Were you epic a fool? Yippee! Welcome here to contestants, and this is the challenge. Your challenge is to... whoever does that first wins. Go! You're the best. Get out! Get out! Alright, next challenge is to eat this! Eat it! I don't know if I want to eat that. Yeah, me neither. Weaklings! I'll eat it! Ah! Let's do the elimination. Share, you're out. Why me? Why? What did I do? Your challenge is to find the pine cone. Can I have it? Sure. Okay, don't. Did you get a new haircut? You look a little different. Yeah? Hey everybody, I love you. Hey, don't stop it. So you know I said that you were the best in episode 1? Yeah. It turns out you're not. You have failed me. Your challenge is to find him. That's not him. You fucking idiot. I tried talking to him and he just kind of stood there. What do you think's happening now? I don't know, but for some reason I feel like he's trying to open something. Like something's coming out. Object Fool, eliminate Showtime. Let's see who's getting out. You literally can't be me. Which one did we see? Hey guys, I'm here. Ah, get out. No! Oh god. What have I done? Quick, your chance is to cure up. Go! I'm free. No bad wins! Oh no! Now one of us is gonna be eliminated! I don't really care. Oh my. You brainworms! None of you are up for elimination because this episode is having a... We had 152 recommendations and we chose like 50, 60, something. But this numbskull forgot to put a credit option in the form! So, if you need one of the following characters, DM Breezy on Discord that you made them so he can credit you. That would be very... Unless you, like, don't care. Like me. Shut up, boy! Shut up, boy! Yep, okay. Jeez! Season 17! Yes. Oh, hi. It's me, guys. Check this out. Hurt me. Yep. I'm so excited! I don't let the bed bugs bite. No, go. I know, me. Hi. Don't. Tomato! That's nice. Check this out. Being foolish sounds quite fun. Ever heard of Dave and Bambi? Oh, that's really good, actually. Why is he cutting the dish? Good night, D. You need your membership. Walker is making this audio. Turns out it's pretty sunny outside. Yeah, something of a specialization. Yeah. This whole thing is meaningless. That's my cousin. Hey, what's your deal? Is he morphing or something? it since I got here. I mean, maybe that might be what's going on. I might help him, but it's just like I don't know what to do. Okay, this way. I think we should probably just call for help. Wait, look. What's that? Use that, boy. Hey guys, debut time? Debut time. Okay. Hey guys, what'd you crew debut? We got... okay. We got 1,175? This show will be the first show to 1,000 votes. Okay, you want a medal? You only got one of them, by the way, so you can get out. Dude, are you serious? Miniskin S and only got 2 votes, so they're not joining either. What? But I got the new red thing. Hey, I also got a red thing. Check it out. Oh, my eyes, my eyes. Claybrick and Bowling Ball only got 3 votes. Ives and P got 4 votes. Demon Corn Printer got 5 votes. Why didn't you vote in? I think it's just a safer idea if we don't. Anyways, Flash White, T, and Cheez-It all got 6 votes. And Aura's Pink got 7. Rainbow Assortment, Score ID, Raid, Slop, Jez, Square Garnet, and Peppermint all got 8 votes. Silly Store got 9 votes. And Chew, Sticky, Shifty, and Diop Taste got 10 votes. Oh no! D-Block got 13. Dangerous and Eggnog Jr. got 13. Dude, you're about to get flung. Get ready! Yeah, I knew that, dude. Yoshi got 15. That was awful. That was actually bad. Mushroom got 16. Pinky Better got 17. Juice Box and Tomato only got 18. Popcorn got 19. And Chocolate Milk Carton got 20. And Bush in the Park got 21. Nacho, Iced Coffee, Landscape, and Exclamation Point got 22 to 25 in that order. Weathery got 26. Oh wow. Crazy Food and Duo got 28 and 29. Spaz 12 got 32. And Buddy Cup Boys sadly got 34. Bokeh got 35 and Bioluminescent got 37. Red Sticky Hand got 38. While Season 17 and Bob apparently got 39. Appreciate the correction. So now it's time to the 5 review. Man, I'm so excited. Give it to all. Shut up. I'm sorry. Nebula Void isn't joining at 47. As Shadow Ornament follows her with 54. Aw, man. See you guys. Nonagon? Nonagon! You got 65 votes. You don't join. Nonagon appreciates you. So now it's on to you two. The U and the U. Have I told you about Dave and Bambi yet? You got 104 votes. Get off my show. Garrett deserves better. Pink Cup, you joined Mom. Oh, shut up. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Mama Guava. Whoa! New guy! Oh, that's nice. Your next chance is to— oh my god! You all have 10 seconds until this bomb goes off. Hey, Userin! What's up, Sippable? Where did all those other debuters go? Oh, they just went where the eliminated contestants go. Well, where's that? I'm not sure, actually. It's kinda weird. It's kinda like do something to them, then they just kinda disappear and go somewhere. I'm sure you're safe, though. So, do you want to stay here? Yep. You're gonna be doing some big Band-Aid for now. Well, as long as it's for a good cause. I'm glad that's over, but I'm still curious on what's going on. God, my foot. I love my life. Why weren't you on the voting screen last episode? I forgot to attend to it. I'm sorry. No! 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 Okay, it's time to eliminate. Wait, but didn't you already eliminate Deepfried? Yeah, and you got the most votes, by the way, so goodbye. What? I actually liked Sippable the most out of all of you, so, I'm kinda sad. So how about this? The next challenge is to survive these seeds. Wait, what? Oh my god! Hey, Teary, you survived. That means you're my new best friend. Dude, you just killed your contestants. Is there even a recovery center around here? Oh no, probably.
door. I wonder what's inside.
What the? Who are you?
God, being dead is so boring. I give up.
How was that even?
It's time. Goodbye. Hi. Yay, not bad.
Yeah, welcome home, long lost laddie.
You don't have to talk like that. Sorry, I just thought it was cool. I can't believe Object 4's at the final 2. Time truly flies.
Wait, final 2?
Yeah.
I thought it was the final 3. Aren't the remaining 3 like Doorframe, Tyrion, Gainscott?
Oh no, don't need to be eliminated. He cheated.
Then why isn't Doorframe here?
Wait, he's not? Oh man, he
Must have ran away, never to be seen again, just like Nunagon.
I like your new look, Bioluminescent. Thanks. What? You compliment Bioluminescent's new look, but not mine? That's because it sucks. I am so offended. You got second place.
Shut up, dude.
I gotta say I'm surprised. Damn, baby, really?
I don't even like Demon Bambi. I make people believe that for votes.
Oh, okay. I won't make fun of you anymore.
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
Well, Danger Sign, you okay?
Something's going to happen later.
Oh. Cool.
Someone is coming for us.
Huh. Hopefully they're a nice guy. Mama, go on. Are you excited for the finale?
Not really.
Okay.
There's nothing really to be excited for in the first place. Like, we don't even know what the prize is for this show.
Oh, I signed up for the fun, and ever since I debuted it, I've been having a good time.
Didn't Lucerin kill you?
Okay. God, you know, you don't have to be such a negative Nancy all the time.
Whatever.
I brought everyone back. Hey, Terry. So when's the finale gonna start? Just be patient. Look, guys, everybody's here.
Well, except for Doorframe, Shifty, Nunagon, and Boing Ball.
Hey guys.
Where have you been?
Oh, well you see.
Okay.
And then I went somewhere, and then I went through there.
We do not care.
Nunagon!
Hey guys, okay, so for starters, the votes do matter, because I don't know how else we declare a winner. Also, Kane's Cup won Object 4. But they were here the whole time, that's not fair!
Honestly, I don't really care. Good job, Kane's Cup.
I feel clean.
Yeah, it's what you deserve.
Well, that's the end of Object 4, Season 1.
So, is there gonna be season 2? Because me personally, I would really love to.
See ya. I'm done, dude. Bye. So we can all agree nobody liked that guy.
Yeah, there's positive things I can say about him.
I mean, I like them. Yeah, kid.